I have a horrible tomato hornworm problem, and they love peppers. Look at this mess. With my eyes, it just about takes quite a bit of damage before I can actually see that they've, done anything. So, did a little research and found that at night, if you go hunting for these things at night with a black light, a UV light, they glow really well, in the dark. So I ordered one, and we're going to try it out tonight. And I've spent about 30 minutes out here in the daylight looking for worms, and I can't find any. I did see some fresh, I believe, fresh damage right here, and I couldn't find the worm. So tonight, once it gets dark, or in the morning when it's dark, I'm going to bring that light out here and see how well it works. So this is the UV light. Esco Light is the name of the company. I'm sure it's, being made in China. It's probably got 20 different names. Whole bunch of UVs in there. It holds 3 AA alkaline batteries. I just put my rechargeables in there. There's your specs. You see it's a 5-watt light. Let me tell you, this thing's bright. I had it inside a while ago and turned the lights off, and it was scary what it would see. 51 LEDs. It is pretty bright. Of course, you don't look at this thing. It's got a year warranty if you want to drive to China. And this is funny here. We professional, we excellent, made in China. Alright, let's check it out tonight and see how it works.